How to use Try Disability Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Try Disability Insurance in Denmark is meant to replace your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. But most people make mistakes that reduce coverage or even risk claim denial. The surprising truth is that not all disabilities are automatically covered under your policy. A major mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Try offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong type could leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current job. Ignoring the waiting period is another common trap. This is the time between the onset of disability and when benefits start. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Align your waiting period with your savings and monthly expenses to avoid unnecessary stress. Underestimating benefit amounts is another frequent error. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Choosing too low a benefit might save money upfront, but can leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Try offers add-ons like partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these options limits flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Try requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Try Disability Insurance Denmark can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.